did make it down the street, but it's pretty deep. You can't tell. That's real deep. If you got a regular car, rear wheel drive, you're not going to make it through that. My car hardly has any snow on it. This is 4 a.m. and it's still snow. These drifts down here. That was where I walked down earlier. Can't even see my footprints anymore. These cars are getting buried. This is certainly a big snow. And it ain't done yet. It's going to go until 3 p.m. Who knows how much we'll finally get.